I'm super excited to be here in Amsterdam, very beautiful city, very nice people, and I would like to present to you Dart. The return. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Evgeny. Yeah, that's me. I have been doing programming like for 12 years or so. I started from assembler, C++, then switched to C#, then CoffeeScript, then JavaScript. So it looks like my career was going down, but then I switched to Dart. It's okay. And I am really big fan of speaking, but it's my first big English speaking conference, so please be nice. And I'm working at Rike. What is Rike? Rike is a project management solution which helps you to be more productive. We have a lot of cool features such as tasks, dashboards, charts, and many, many, many more. We have really cool customers. And we have been playing or using Dart for about 4 years now. We have 60 plus Dart developers, Dart only developers, and more than 700 lines, 700,000 lines of Dart code, which is a lot. And actually, we have been grown up from a small village on Totevin, from small startup to the big company. So let's begin with the Dart. Let me tell you the story. In a galaxy far, far away, well, actually in our galaxy, like 5 years ago, Google introduced Dart. Who is familiar to Dart? Wow. Kind of, yeah? When Google introduced Dart, the whole media were like crazy. Google JavaScript killer. JavaScript killer, Dart is a JavaScript killer. So Dart was intended to be a destroyer of the universe, conqueror of the galaxy, killer of the JavaScript. But we all know the truth. If we look at the charts of the Dart popularity, it was popular, it was not so popular, but if we compare it to TypeScript or maybe JavaScript, something is not so good. And many people these days think that Dart is just a useless, clumsy robot. Yes, but it's not true. Actually, Google team just newly released Dart 2.0 with the new tooling, with the new features, and they released, almost released, right now it is in beta, Flutter. And I will show you all this stuff. But what do you think, guys? What do you guys think? What are most important things in a language? In a good language? Like something. Give me something, please.
Functions as first.
Yes, maybe something. Type safety, yes. Yes, that's good. I think that most important things in a language are tooling and features, obviously, community, and niche. So in Dart 1, there was a problems with the tooling and features, with the community, with the niche. But nowadays, yes, of course, we have problems, but everything is good now. So let me show you tooling and features. What are the main features of Dart? It's a good type system with the soundness. It's multi-platform. It have really cool SDK, tree shaking, and porks. No, there is no porks in Dart. Yeah, really sad. Sorry. I will show you demo, but let me say that it's just a tip of the iceberg. We are here, like on the top. So it's not all the features of Dart. And it turns out that it's really complicated task for me to write code in one language, think another language, and speak in third language. So I will just play some music. If something will be super wrong, I will just dance. Yeah. Let me. Yeah. So who likes Star Wars? Yeah. But who knows everything about every movie, plot twists, like all the actors? No. So let's create some application for that. And my designer designed these mockups. It would be nice to see description. You don't see it because, yeah, projector is not so good. But yeah, would be nice to see it. Let's create a demo for that. We would like to have a server. I will show you folder structure. I will show you streams, collections, serialization. I will show you how to write Dart for the web. I showed tree shaking, auto reuse, and for the mobile, I will show you Flutter if I would have a time. If you want to find this application, is over here. So let's talk about niche. As I showed you, you can use Dart for server, for web, for mobile, for what else? I don't know, Fuchsia. Who heard about Fuchsia? It's a operation system written in Dart. You can use Dart in Fuchsia. And what about community? Yeah, maybe JavaScript community is bigger. Maybe some people think that Dart is a clumsy, useless robot, but we love our robot. And I hope that you will try it and love it too. So love your robots, love Dart, and that's it. Thank you. We have